Let's check out our one bedroom apartment, 348. Large kitchen space with bar top. Lots of counter space to prep your meals. Lots of cabinetry to store all your cookware. Our stainless steel refrigerator comes with an ice maker and a freezer. Have lighting under the cabinetry here. You have dual sinks here with garbage disposal. Right across from the kitchen is a large storage closet. Also across from the kitchen, you have your front loading, full-size washer and dryer. And then some more storage space here. Could be used as a pantry, just other things you need to store. Here you can fit a nice dining table so you can invite some friends over. And behind that is the living space. This particular home is facing south, so it's going to get a great amount of natural light. You also happen to have a view of our 8,000 square foot community sky deck that has free gardening, barbecues, fire pits, and lots of lounge chairs and picnic areas. And here in the hallway, you have your bath. Got all the drawers and counter space here at this vanity. Next to the bath, have a linen closet. And this bedroom is huge. It's a big picturesque window. So much natural light in here. It's wonderful. The one bedroom also has a very big walk-in closet. You have that shelf up there to store some more items. All in all, the one bedroom is amazing on storage. If you like what you see today, go ahead and give our office a call and find out what's available. Our number is 503-430-1616. We hope to hear from you soon.